We founded EarthEcho International believing that young people really have the power to change the world, and that in many ways they're the only ones who can.
Youth empowerment is a very strong passion of mine, and I really believe that young people, not only are they the leaders of tomorrow, but we're giving them the tools and support to be the leaders of today as well.
Why are you doing this program?
If you do it, then other people will basically copy.
Okay.
And then more people will copy, and it'll just go on and on and on.
All right, well done. How do you feel about what's going on right now with climate change and all these other things?
It's scary, but there's hope we could do something about it. So we need to get everyone involved.
How did that idea come to you and that realization that you have the power to change the world now?
I accepted within myself that even if I made 1% better, that's still 1% better.
There's a lot of bad news that we see in the press, a lot of doom and gloom out there. And yet when I work with young leaders, like the members of our Youth Leadership Council, and see how excited and how optimistic and how passionate they are about changing the world, that gives me hope, not only for tomorrow, but for today.